We are stepping onto the historic Kuranda Scenic Railway. The air is thick with the scent of rainforest and adventure. The journey begins with winding tracks hugging the mountain slopes, giving you tantalizing glimpses of cascading waterfalls and sprawling views of the tropical north. The train snakes through tunnels hand-carved over a century ago. The narrator shares tales of the railway's construction, a labor of perseverance and grit in the unforgiving terrain. The train rounds a bend, and Barron Gorge opens up before you, a dramatic chasm where the mighty Barron Falls plummets in a thundering display, its mist rising like a breath from the earth itself. You will find yourself momentarily lost in the raw power of the scene.
There are magnificent views from this part of the line. If you look out towards the horizon, you may see the outline of Green Island against the sea. Below us, you may also see the Barron River as it meanders its way to the Coral Sea through a patchwork of cane fields. Although built to service the mining townships, this railway soon became more popular with sightseers and holidaymakers.
The local Aborigines, Jabugay people have a profound connection to Barron Gorge, woven into their traditions and Dreamtime stories. According to their beliefs, the rainbow serpent played a crucial role in shaping the rivers and creeks of the region. Then the carpet snake carved out the waterways, including those within Barron Gorge National Park. During the wet season, the rainbow serpent's presence is most visible in the form of a rainbow, and its voice is heard in the rumbling of thunder.
Kuranda Range. It is built on an 80-metre radius and provides a spectacular view of the famous Stoney Creek Falls. As we approach the bridge, look to the right for a great photo of the bridge. Then quickly look across to the left for another great photo of the waterfall. For your safety, please do not place any part of your body outside of the carriage doors or windows. We are now at Red Bluff, one of the steepest sections and the largest cutting along this line. This was the most difficult section for the workers to excavate. Men were suspended down by ropes to dig away the cutting. However, the rock face was unstable, and as the men made progress, the slope would slip and work would be lost. John Robb had his men dig well into the rock face until a solid foundation could be found. This created the distinctive scar that is a landmark today. As we leave Stoney Creek Gorge and enter Barron Gorge, you will notice magnificent views towards Cairns and the coast. Over Surprise Creek, you should feel a lovely rush of cool air. This is a sea breeze which works its way from the coast along the Barron Gorge and up through this ravine. If you look across the gorge, you may be able to see a waterfall called Bridal Veil Falls. It has a spectacular drop of 305 meters. Until 1958, the Barron River was a raging torrent. But since the construction of Tiraroo Dam, the water has been contained and used for irrigation purposes on the Atherton tablelands. However, when the Barron River is in flood, an enormous volume of water gushes over the falls and drops 265 meters, creating a spectacular eruption of water and mist.
The Jabugay stories, passed down through generations, explain the creation of the landscape and reinforce their deep respect for nature. The Jabugay community continues to preserve their heritage and maintain their connection to the land. After soaking in the gorge's majesty, the train continues its climb toward Kuranda village, a hidden pocket in the rainforest. When you finally disembark, you can hear didgeridoo music, smell the aroma of freshly roasted coffee from cafes, and see market stalls with handmade crafts and local treasures. The village, cradled by nature, invites you to wander, explore, and breathe in the beauty of this rainforest sanctuary. You can drive or take the train from Cairns or Freshwater Station to Kuranda village. If you drive directly and arrive early, you benefit from the full-day program in the village. We took a tour bus from Cairns Hotel to Freshwater Station and train to Kuranda village. Then we headed to Rainforest Station Nature Park for the Aboriginal experience and then took Sky Rail back to the Freshwater Station and tour bus back to the hotel. You need at least 2 days for full immersion in Kuranda National Park.